Hi all, welcome to the Play Chess Banter Blitz. So I'm starting this time at 4 PM today, a bit early. Okay, let's go into the 3-minute. Let's go into a 3-minute game. I'll kick off a 3-minute game. Just check my recording levels when I'm about it. A bit higher on the recording, high on stream. So, okay. Okay, first challenge. Let's see. Sicilian defense. Okay, so the open Sicilian. High on stream. Hi Nathan. That. So let's see. E6. Oh, he's going to castle queenside, maybe. An exciting game. I'm going to delay castling for a moment. I might castle queenside as a neat little trick. Well, a trick. I'm surprised he did that, actually. That seems a bit interesting. It looks as though the lines are not getting opened that quickly at the moment. They played king b1. Okay, so knight c4 here. Ah. Okay, let's take with the queen. If I castle queenside and king b8, ice cream attack outside. You can hear he doesn't change the football tune. Doesn't change it. Okay, so I'll castle queenside and king b8 maybe. So this is a neat trick, I think, for king safety anyway. It might let my king last a bit longer, I hope. Over here. Aha. Okay. So my pawns are being tempted forward. Maybe he's going to play c3. Maybe that's the idea. d5. Maybe d5 here just to hold b4 a bit. Hit his centre because I've dislodged the knight away from e4 a bit. So I'm putting pressure now on e4 again. Ah. Was it too general what I did? It might be. That's unpleasant. Can I get time to play king? Oh, you can win in exchange. Bishop b6. Even worse. Something nasty is happening here. Can I get rid of his pieces? If I can get rid of this knight. Whew, this looks scary now. Knight a6 for bishop c5 maybe. Queen b6. Okay, there's bishop c5 here. Just want to get rid of this battery he's got. Okay. I'm being attacked. How dare he attack me? Okay. Can I get rid of any of these knights? Okay, I don't want to be slow about it either. Bishop c6. Maybe. The knight's holding the rook. He's got knight d6, unfortunately. I can't get. What about bishop a4 trying to get a counter attack with rook c2 later? I'll play bishop a4 and try for rook c2. He's not having any of this. He's just playing rook there. Okay. He's not having it. Rook takes c2 for bishop b3. He's got rook f7 coming up. Is he just going to ignore? I guess he's going to ignore this. Actually, that's just losing a rook. b3 is not doing anything. Oh, come on. b3 is not even... I'm not even doing anything with that. Rook f7, queen d8. I'm not doing anything here. No, it's not right. It's not right. It's not sound. Knight c5 maybe. Try and get some. Alright, I don't know why I slowed down though. Here. This doesn't do anything. Knight takes c2. Knight c5 is the best I can see. Rook f7, queen d8. But he's spending too long here. He's spending too long. Can it be streamed on Twitch at the same time? Can you let me know if it's possible? I don't know if it's possible to do that. I don't know why he spent so long. Okay, odd. If you can let me know, yeah, I'd be interested in that. Someone's Lashit has mentioned streaming on Twitch as well. Okay, okay. I don't know why. Yeah, maybe he lost connection or something. I don't know. So that was a bit fortunate. He was crashing through, basically. My position. Crashing through. e4, e5. I wonder if knight g5, or, okay, h5, knight g5. Coming up, or HG. Maybe HG here. Is he going to fragment his pawns? He has a bit. This pawn's been fragmented. Okay, okay. I don't want an exchange of queens. Thanks so much. Bishop e2 on queen g4, right? That pawn's a bit of a target anyway. Now, there's no knight g6 because of bishop h5. Alright, so can I go back here without interruption now? King f2, rook h1. This could be a good target. Still, I could have had bishop h5 just then, as previously mentioned. Anyway, this should be good. What can he do about h6 here? He can take my queen, but... Oh, hang on. There is that. He can... Yep. Okay. He also had rook g2, didn't he? Ah. Let's extinguish that bishop. And... Now what? Protects g2. Okay, can I play for d5 if he's not doing anything here? I'll play slowly for d5. Okay, he's not doing that much. So d5, d6. Alright, that's the first thing. Also, g4 is tempting. Right, that's a nice pawn wedge. Maybe that's useful later. On the other hand, maybe I should... Okay, I could consider knight c4 to d6. But g4 here is going to put the pressure on. Surely I'm threatening g5 now. g5 is threatened. Alright, resign that. Okay. Alakheim request. Just press the Twitch button. I've got XSplit Streamer. Hang on. Can I just... Can you do that? This is revolutionary. Am I actually streaming on Twitch as well now? I didn't even know that. This is so... I know. I didn't know. Did they add that recently? multi-stream. I know that. This is so... I know. What? I didn't know you could multi-stream like that. I've got to change the stream title there, though. That's the only thing. Okay, I'm hoping to change the stream title. Do I need to stop and start the stream? If I stop and start it, hang on, I'll stop and start it just to make sure. So I'll put Twitch again. And just to make sure the title changed, because I don't want a conflict of interest there creeping in. I don't want to be like misnaming the stream. Okay, okay, I've renamed the stream on Twitch. I'll be interested how this goes here. So this is the first time I've multi-streamed. You're witnessing the first time I'm multi-streaming here using XSplit software. Okay, I trust it will be okay. Cool. I just didn't know about it. I'm sorry. I just didn't know about it. I think it might open it up to more audiences. Okay, that's cool. I really didn't. I feel so stupid not knowing about it. Okay, so thank you goes to Lashit Jane for mentioning this. Just saying, basically press the Twitch button. I don't know if Lashit or ESD, no, ESD1759 just said just press the Twitch button. I didn't know you could. I thought it was some special thing to multi-stream. Anyway, let's get to the chess. Okay, let's get to the chess. I'll click 3 minute. So each server does have strengths and weaknesses. I think one of the strengths of this is, for me personally, I like the applause that you get, the sort of spirit of people enjoying whatever the result, you know. You know that saying, win with grace, lose with humility or something? So I think it encourages that a bit, yeah. The servers have, I mean, I think that's what I like in particular about this. The sound effects are quite amusing. I think you have to be in the mood sometimes. I think I can't set a minimum rating at the moment on the web interface here. So that's one thing. I can't set the minimum rating. Since when did XSplit support multi-streaming? I thought there was actually a website called... Okay, I'm going to have to investigate when this happened. You know, I just need to investigate when this was possible. Okay, maybe it's part of their updates, and I didn't read the blurb or something. When, you know, when they do these updates, I just don't know what they do, really. I just do the updates blindly. I don't know. Do Twitch ban people who might stream it? Oh, do they? Hang on. Hang on. Do they? Wait, someone's just resigned here. What? Is there a problem for multi-streaming? Hang on, I'm going to have to Google that. Can someone find that out? Hang on, I'm doing a quick Google search. Okay, this... You know what? I don't think I can multi-stream. I think there might be a rule about it. I'm actually a Twitch partner. I think there might be a rule about it. I need to just quickly check this out. Not sure I can do it, actually. I need to check that out. I'm going to have to stop, yeah. Sorry about that. I'll find it out, do it another time. I'm going to turn off the Twitch. Okay. I wonder if, because I'm a small partner on Twitch, I hope maybe I can ask about that. Sorry, I think I have to ask. I will ask about that. Okay. 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 Yeah, I'm gonna have to ask. So anyway, let's go on to another game here. Yeah, I should try and, if I can. Okay, I'm playing a 2-4-4-4 FM. Okay, let's not lose too much time here. Definitely something for me to investigate. I didn't realise how technically easy it was to do. So that's something to investigate. Oh, that's really unfortunate. He's played the line which I really hate against this, which kind of refutes this. This kind of refutes my pet Gambit, unfortunately. Yeah, I think I'm dead in the water, really. Mostly dead in the water. Maybe it's, I don't know. Yeah, unfortunately, a lot of the time this would work. But not against this particular. It's a bit of a gamble, this Gambit I've created here. It's a gambling Gambit. Oh, I didn't even mean to do that. That's a mouse slip, just losing the exchange. This is going well. It's after more than the exchange. This is a disaster, isn't it? It's now a total, like, disaster. I can resign here. I should resign here. Okay, I'm the exchange down. It's almost as if he's an FM with that nickname as well. Okay. Can I do anything? The exchange down. Yeah, he's wrecked my pet opening. This is honestly, this scores quite well in bullet, but not against this line in a longer time limit, I've noticed. Because I get no attacking potential. Shame. He's using a lot of time. A little bit of time. He's using a little bit of time. Don't know. Can I do that? I'm going to get hammered, aren't I? If I try and get the queens off with queen d4 and moves the knight. Well, he's taking a lot of time. Isn't he? Can I get the queens off with queen c3? Just before I want to avoid getting mated as a high priority. Alright, can I get the queens off? Rook d1, queen a3? If I played, you know, I wanted to stop queen d5. I just want the queens off because I notice he's playing very slowly. So the only weakness really he's got is the clock factor. So if I get the queens off, I'm hoping to exploit the clock factor more without getting mated, essentially. So he's winning another pawn. He wants all my pawns. He wants every last pawn. Ah, he's simplified. He wants rook a1. Oh, I have to stop. Rook a1 winning my rook. Oh, blimey. Nearly winning the rook as well. Now he's got this nasty pin. Oh, God. I have to sort of protect the bishop to sort of be able to move my rook. How grim is this? No! "25 seconds. Hold on to my... Oh, I can't hold on to my pawn now. Hold on. There's king e3. Is he going to give me a pawn back? c4, king e3. Just give me one pawn back. Come on. No. No, of course not. He's so slow. Surely. He's been a bit slow about this, but his pawns are clearly winning here. If you haven't worked that out yourself yet. Rook c1. Try and break through with h6. Little trap. Throw in a few checks. Spite checks. Get some time on the clock. Oh! Oh! I don't want to play him ever again. Just kidding, just kidding. No, no, it's good. But I come here just to win games. I don't come here to lose horribly. Sorry, I don't mean. Okay, anyway, let's just ignore that game. Okay, so note to self. Maybe the 2-pawn Gambit doesn't work so well against 2400 FMs. Okay. Okay. But he was pretty slow. I mean, he didn't finish me off very efficiently, you got to say, yeah? He didn't fall for my little trap either. I was hoping he'd fall for the little... Because I lost all my pawns, I thought he'd let me mate him with the pawn on h6. I thought that was a really cunning trap that I set. But clearly, even though he's only got like 5 seconds, he sees through my trap as well. That's just not on, man. That's just not on. That's out of order. Not falling for the traps. Okay, so anyway. It just makes me look bad when people don't fall for the traps. Yeah. Okay. So what's this? Is this positional torture now? I have to protect c2 so I can get knight to c4. Right, so knight c4. Ah! He's not even letting me have knight c4. What is this? Okay, I have to take his knight, I think. I have to... I'm going to get tied down to c2 at this rate, aren't I? He's going to take and then he's going to hammer me on this. It's my chance to lose the exchange to have a knight on c4. What a nice decision. Because if I move the rook, he just takes... and just piles up on c2. I'd rather lose the exchange as the lesser evil, I think. Try and make sure he's not easily playing f5. If he plays f5, he opens up for his rooks. With the knight on c4, I just want to make sure everything's pointed at e5 here to discourage f5. Right, so there's no f5 right now. Okay, F5. Trying to. Okay, I was trying to discourage it. Isn't that EF here? Oh, don't tell me. Okay. Knight E5 or Queen E5. I take out one of his pawns. Exchange down. But this pawn's a bit weak. I'll be protecting C2, so he can't immediately destroy my position with the rook. Can I get this pawn? I'll have some compensation, I think, if I can get this pawn. Ah, more than compensation. Now, there was a very, very deeply instructive thing in this game, believe it or not. It's about lesser evil decisions. Because if we rewind... I wonder if I can rewind. I'm being serious. I'm being serious. Deadly serious here. But I can't rewind the game that easily to show you. Unfortunately... Hang on, game. I probably can. Let me go back to this position. I'm being serious now. There's a very horrible decision here. Here, do you accept the loss of the exchange, right? Or this? Look at this. If I played King D1, can't analyze this. Don't think I can analyze this. Oh, you know, he'd just take Rook C8, Rook C3, Rook C8, Queen C6. C pawn's going to drop. I'm going to have nothing to do whatsoever. That's why I thought losing the exchange was the way to go. I don't know what you guys think. Do you think that was a good decision? 1 if you think good decision, 10 terrible. Let me know. Let me know. I'm curious. I'm curious. Okay, so remember it's only a blitz game. So, oh, okay. Oh, he's aborted it. Okay. You got to choose the lesser evil. Okay. Hi, String Dog. Hi. I'm. Okay. Okay. Let's see. I'm playing against a dreaded Maroxy bite. I'm not against that FM again. No! What is this? He's been lurking around to try and play me again. All I did was beat him on time. Okay. Can I try and have a better position for most of the game? For some of the game? For some of the game? A reasonable position. So knight c5. Bishop d7. Do I try and break open the position with e6? Maybe. I don't know what these sighs are from the server. Keeps sighing every time I move. Is it really that bad? Oh, my move's really that bad. It has to keep like winding me up this server with the sighs. Okay, anyway. Can I not win the exchange here? Was there bishop d4? I can still win the exchange. Bishop f1. I can take this center file. Right, he's going for knight c7 or d6. I'll try and get to his g2 in the meantime with rook a2. Right, I need a positive plan here. Otherwise his pawns will be pretty terminal. Yes, need a positive plan. I can't see it because he's covering d4. There's no bishop g7 to d4. Can't see it. There's no knight d4 anyway. Try and stop his pawns in the meantime. Maybe h4 is useful. He's going to have another pass pawn now. I'll take this off. Okay, I don't think I should push this because I don't know what I'm doing. If he gets in his pawns, am I being a chicken? Am I being a chicken? King h6, g5, f5, f4, g4, g3. Let's push it. Let's push it. Let's push the luck. Stopping g5. Rook c4, rook h4 is a mating pattern, potentially. f5, f4, g4. Why is he giving that pawn? Stop rook g3. I think I have to get into pre-moves. Pre-move time. I think he's losing material anyway. King f7, he's losing material. Okay. Okay, that was better than previous encounter, but I could feel the positional pressure a lot with his compensation. It was pretty unpleasant. Okay, but anyway, and we get to play him again. Okay. All right. It's going to be a strong average opposition session today. So what's a trap knight g5 potentially? c5 at some point. I'll get rid of this guy. c5. Trying to open up the bishop. CB. Queen b5. Oh, he's got knight a4. This could be annoying. Queen c6 and knight and rook b6 if knight c3. Right, so this is horrible. This is just horrible. I get my knight in the game, knight e3 to d5. If I e4, knight e3, knight d5. Knight b3. What's happening? I don't think there's any defense to that. I think I have to resign there and give the applause as he's done. Okay. Well played. That was horrible. Okay, so let's try another 3-minute game, and we go again. Okay, all right. So that might be a feature. Would be interesting to have different opponent option. Just a thought, anyway. I might mention that different opponent option. Okay. I could try a different time limit, like bullet, just to give some extra time while playing the game. I've just realised something. If I played a bullet game after this, I could do that, maybe play a bullet game after this, just to give some spread to a different opponent possibility. So dreaded Moxie bind territory. Hoping for a little bit of a counterplay of some sort. It's doubtful. Queen b7. Queen b7 has got e5. What's a queen b7 here? Rook f8. I'm neglecting f7 if I did that. Knight a4 here. Knight e6. A4 seems okay. Queen b6, simple and crude. For knight f2 tactic. If it was working, one day. As bishop takes a1, ef. King f8. No. F7 is too dangerous. Knight e6. Bishop f6. Alright. Let's try this. Bishop f6 coming up. There's queen c4 though. Oh, he just wins the queen. Like that. I didn't see that. No. Oh, there's queen e5 now. Okay, didn't play queen e5. That would have been surely more to the point. There's rook f6, isn't there? Okay. Okay. He's very, very good. I'm just a little bit quicker at winning on time, so I'll try and play a bullet game on here. Bullet game. Is there a chance? What's this? What's this? Board? Try out a bullet game. Isn't this going to be more my cup of tea compared to him if I'm a bit quicker? We're going to test this. Okay. this one. Should be 7 for a moment. Okay, okay. Ah. I don't know. Bishop d6. Oh, down to 15 seconds. He's good about it as well. Oh, I didn't mean that. Faster. Okay. Okay. I'll take the invitation from Stringdog. I think this was just supposed to be a fun stream, not someone really wanting to get me, okay? But I'll take an invitation from Stringdog, an unrated bullet, okay? Thanks. Okay. F5, G4, G5. Running bishop c5. Oh, he's not recapturing. Why is his rook hanging? I suspect some mouse slips. Bishop d3. Thanks, Bruno. Thanks. Give me a bit of variety there. Okay. Okay. I'm going to try the 1 minute again. Let's see. All right. So this double pawn gambit I've been experimenting with for bullet chess. This is really annoying when I can't castle. It's not so hot, is it? When you can castle, I think I sort of get something. I believe I get something. Compensation. Oh, compensation here anyway. I'm trying to get my queen. Alright, I think Alright. I'll take this rook then, I suppose. Alright, and one last 3-minute game. I'll leave it here. I think I might leave it here. Okay, it was an interesting session today. Actually, hang on. Okay, one last 3-minute game. Alright, let's see. Okay, we can get some other opponent. This horrible London system. Yeah. Although I've got the isolated Queen's pawn, this might be misplaced. This might be horrible, this position. Yeah, it could be just simply misplaced rook. Knight e4. Knight e4. Well, I can play knight e4 here because of that. Pawn is not so pinned. So knight e4 might do something for me. I'm trying to work out what. General annoyance. If he goes back to f3, doesn't he just win material? He'll be threatening bishop e4 and knight g5. Okay. Yeah. Not sure what to do here then. Maybe lesser evil decision would be rook e5 to swap the rooks off. Have that horrible isolated queen's pawn, but at least the rooks, I don't know, it's just not doing anything on g5. I don't think it's doing anything. Whilst this bishop's locked in with his blockade of my d5 pawn, if that bishop's locked in, then I don't know what the rook's doing. Alright, so rook e5, knight f5, queen d7. I'll lose the rook. No, rook takes e1 there. Queen d7. It's taking an age, isn't he? He's taking an age, this guy. Has he lost connection? Oh well. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the stream today. I think I'm off after this. 1 fun, 10 boring. See you next week. But if you want to quickly vote, yeah, 1 if you found it a bit of fun, 10 boring today. But you can say that the average opposition today was pretty high. Playing the same guy a few times. That very strong player who was murdering me on the board. Okay, so if you want to quickly vote, and I'll see you next week for another play chess session. Thanks so much. I'll just stop the stream here. Okay.